Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to set up a MongoDB replica and how to add an arbiter that replica. Okay, let me open a terminal first and launch a Mongo instance. When you want to set up a Mongo replica, you need to specify a parameter on the mongodb, which is called replica size. Give a name of the replica. In this case, let me call it is1, and give a post number. You need to give a available post number on your system first, and specify the database path. Let me call it R1. I need to create that path folder first. R1, R2, R3. Okay, this is 3 paths I need. Now one Mongo instance will be launched, and at the same time I need to create another one. I just create a few terminal, and okay, and I launch another Mongo instance with the same replica name as this one. So this one is called is1, and I need to specify the same replica size name is1 and give a different post number 1A, 2A0, 1A. So the first one is 28017. I'm going to give a 2810118. And then I specify the replica path name. Okay. New Mongo instance will be launched and listening on this post number. Let me create a client through Mongo shell to connect to one of the instance I created before, like 18017 is the first Mongo instance I launched. After you connect to your Mongo instance, you can check the status of your replica. And when you type status, this function will return the status of your replica instance. What this message means is that we haven't initialized the replica instance on that Mongo. So what we need to do is to type initiate to give a default configuration to that instance. You can specify your own configuration if you like as a parameter of that method. But for simple reason, I will use the default configuration. When you type is.initiate without any parameter, it will show that no configuration specified, and it will pick the default configuration for the site. Alright, after you initialize the replica, you can type replica size status method. It will return a status of that replica, and you can see that there is only one member in that replica, which is the instance itself, and it is the primary instance. Also there are some other configurations you can look at, like the size name is what we specified on the command line. Okay, now let me show you how to bring new members in that replica. After you initialize the replica, you can see that the is1 primary keyword in this shell, that means you are currently connecting to a primary instance in that replica. Now what you can do is to add other instance in that replica by type is.add and give the name of the instance and the post number, which was where I created a while ago. The post number is 180128018. Okay, when you type replica add command, it will return you a success result as a JSON data. It specifies OK1 as its value. It means 1 means successful. So now when you type status, and you can see that there is two instances and the members array. The first one is the one we created is the primary one, and the second one is the one I just added. It is a secondary. You can see from the status str, and the status value 2 means secondary. Okay, now your replica will have two members. One is the primary, the other one is a secondary. Okay, usually in production mode we need at least 3 members and one replica size. So, and then I'm going to create another one. Three already there. Okay, let me launch another one. Give a name of replica the same as the one I used before, and give a available post number which is 1A012A019, and give the path of the database R3. Okay, now after you launch that, you can add that member you just created inside this replica by using the same command. You specify the host name and the post number, and then you can see status members. There are 3 members under that replica, and one is the primary, the other 2 are secondary. Alright, what else need to be done in this replica size is arbiter. Arbiter is the one to choose, to select the one to be primary if the primary is down for some reason. Let me show you how to create arbiters, or how to add an arbiter in that replica size. Okay, I need to do the same. Create a folder R4 and launch it as a replica size S1 cp path R4, and give a variable post number 28020. Alright, and then what you can do is to add, so this method add ARB is just to add an arbitrary. So just like use the similar way to do that. Okay, when you type this command, it will add this host number and the port number, the instance of MongoDB into that replica size, and configure it as an arbiter. Now when you type replica status members, you will see that is member D, now IB at 3, and status is 7, which means it's an arbiter. Okay, now you have 4 members under the replica. One is primary, 2 are secondary, and 1 is arbiter. Okay, now all the things we are done, and this is just the beginning of the setup replica size. There are also a lot of detailed configuration of information you may need to look at, and I will give you more detailed and more deep instructions later. Thank you.